Okay, so here's a weird thing that we found about Chubbs. Hey Chubbs! Pet him. He licks his tongue. Is that his tickle spot? And mom stops. And back to touching. He's licking. Is that Tickle Buddy? And he doesn't want us to stop tickling, do you? Do you? Stop. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Stop. Oh, poor Chubbo. Say bye-bye, Chubbs.